It is Friday afternoon. It is a work from home today, so this is the look. I've not washed my hair, it's oily, but I'll do it tomorrow. Tomorrow is a self-care Saturday, तो वो हम कल करेंगे. This is the work from home setup. आज हम घर से काम कर रहे हैं. There is no shoot, there is nothing. ठीक है, तो ठीक है. Change in the plan. माइक ही नहीं पहना तो कैसे सुनाई देगा. So I went to the mall to buy a gift for a friend. It's her housewarming party on Sunday and कल मुझे time नहीं मिलने वाला था, तो I thought I'll just quickly go today and get it. I have not done these long format videos and it's very, I'm still trying to figure out how do I, मैं कहाँ देख के बात करूँ, कैसे बात करूँ, क्या बात करूँ, but I think we'll get there. I think the practice will make me more comfortable. Right now I am I'll just introduce myself quickly. I have my own social media agency. I am also working as a freelancer with a influencer celebrity. So basically I work from home, or if there are any shoots I obviously go out, or if there are any offline meetings then I step out of the house, or else it's just my house and my mom's house, which is like just 5 minutes away from this one. So I'm mostly juggling between these two houses, और मैं जहाँ भी मतलब as per my task list I just start working. I have done my 9 to 5 like for almost 7 years. So this 9 to 5, this work from home is it's a privilege also, but obviously everything has pros and cons. This also has pros and cons. I'm also married. I'm married since 2 years, and 2 साल से I am juggling between घर का काम, मेरे room, my husband, spending obviously quality time with my husband because he's also out पूरा दिन. तो हमको थोड़ा बहुत जो टाइम मिलता है हम वो फिगर आउट करते हैं हाउ डू वी स्पेंड इट. Then like office, obviously my office work, my own social media content that I'm creating. मैं बहुत टाइम से YouTube shorts create कर रही हूँ, so maybe if you have not watched it please go ahead. But long format video is something that I want to start now. Also I am very hungry and I have a dark chocolate lying around, so I thought we'll quickly show you what it is. Yep. So these are the dark chocolate. Actually my dad's friend lives in Canada, so he has got for us. He actually got a lot of things and this is one of it. It's basically dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. And it also has like no sugar, 5 grams fiber, 12 grams protein. Okay, try करते हैं. My husband hates dark chocolate, तो ये पूरा मेरा ही है. Genuinely मस्त है. It's from the brand called Zo Raw. I don't know if you can see it. Oh my god, this is exactly how I love dark chocolate. It's not, it says 72% cacao, but no other sugar. I like it. Very nice. I think this is my go-to snack now. I also hog a lot, by the way, so I can do like all of the 5 healthy snacking ideas, 5 healthy beverages. अभी बहुत चल रहा है ना वो Blinkit पे, ordering from Blinkit. I can do that. Hello. It's a Saturday and I am getting ready for a shoot. So the plan for today is first हम shoot पे जा रहे हैं. वहाँ से I'll go to my mom's place. Then I'll go to I actually work from there only. Then I'll come back home. I'm making nachos today. तो उसका prep होगा शाम में. And I think that's it. Saturday night, but not doing anything. ये क्या है भाई? Mango है mango. This is the moisturizer that I'm currently using. It's gifted to me by a very good friend जिसका भी शादी हुआ. If you must have seen all the get ready with me's. It's by Bath and Body Works. This is amazing. I've not washed my hair purposely क्योंकि हम मम्मी से आज चंपी कराने वाले हैं. So after I started doing freelancing और मतलब basically जब मैंने 9 to 5 drop किया, the definition of weekends is not there. As in every day is same for me. Monday भी same लगता है, Tuesday भी same लगता है, Sunday थोड़ा सा different लगता है because husband is at home. तो उसके वजह से थोड़ा different लगता है. बाकी every day is just same for me. I actually wanted this life. It's a something that I've manifested. But work-life balance वो क्या है? ये कर तो लिया, अब रबर ढूंढना पड़ेगा. तो वो वाला कौन करे जो? I've not got my mic here, but this is basically like a protein powder mixing all the ingredients. I'll list them for you guys. Hair is oiled and handwa on my plate. I love Sundays. Hi, it was a Sunday and it was a very long day for me. It did not feel like Sunday. I woke up really late today, but I had some household chores to do. I had to go to a friend's new house puja. I had to meet my sister. She lives in Kandivali. तो मुझे वहाँ तक जाना था. I had to come back now. I just came back now. It's 11:30. I have a long day tomorrow. I have an event tomorrow. I have to decide what I have to wear. I have to edit this video and that's it. I am not actually used to long format video like I mentioned, but I want to start doing it. So this was my attempt number I don't know what, but I hope you like this video. If you want me to do more such videos, let me know in the comments. And this was just one of the snippets that I did. There's a lot to my life beyond this, so I'll keep on showing you little by little. And now I'll just wind up, remove this and go to sleep. And that's it. Bye.